Ryan with One Gift here, coming at you with yet another feature that we are shipping or have shipped today. Um, Basically, this allows you to send a digital card as an email attachment automatically when you are generating birthday cards. Um, this is useful so you can have people get a digital copy to go along with their physical copy, or perhaps even some people will opt to just go with the digital copy, which will save on the printing and mailing costs, as well as the administrative and volunteer time. So we hope this feature is useful to everyone. I'm just going to give you a quick demo to show how it works. Log into this demo account here. Okay. One thing I did want to point out that's related to sending emails with Wishwell is the emails do come from experience at onegift.ai for right now. It means that you definitely want to send an email separately before you start using the emailing features in this app to let people know to expect emails from that address to add it to the safe list, so they're not getting marked as spam or ignored, to make sure that everyone's getting their emails. We've added a warning for generating the order forms just to show you, just make sure that you're confirming that you've communicated with your members, as well as a web page with resources and draft emails to send to your members before you send these emails out. Thought it might be useful, so hopefully that's helpful. Excuse me. So basically what we'll do is we'll just do a couple practice orders. So we've got myself and my wife on this account, and we'll say have Rebecca wishing me a happy birthday here. So her ID is 120. I'm in August, so that's Q3. We'll just show the order form. There's only a couple people in here, so you won't see that many. We're going to make wishes. Excuse me. Okay, the wishes are now saved. So everything is in there the way that you normally would see it, and then very simply, when you generate your cards and envelopes, everything looks about the same. We're going to generate for August. That's my birthday month, or birth month. Make sure you select the right year. Now, what the system will do is on the physical card side, so anyone that has physical cards selected, opted in for it, which everyone does by default, they'll either be the normal one file with all the cards for people that are mailing them, or one file per card, which was generally used to attach to emails, but I wanted to keep that in there just in case people needed it. So this will simultaneously, that piece will generate the physical cards to be printed in a file on your computer. By checking this box, however, you're going to actually also email the cards to anyone who has opted into that. Now, by default, we are opting everyone in for that, which is why it's really important to send that email in advance to your members to make sure anyone that wants to opt out of that can before using this feature. So we'll just go ahead and generate the cards. We're going to get another warning here just to make sure you've sent the intro email to your members. We also generate a zip file with individual cards for all the ones that got emailed out. That way, if someone has trouble opening a file, or they say they didn't get it, you'll have all of them saved in a folder that you can then email manually if necessary. And as well, we have referencing that resource article that could be helpful to you. So we'll just hit OK, and that'll work. And we can see over here, this email has been received. Actually, I better open it up in here so you can see. It's 0. So we have the email has been received. Okay. And it's going to show a nice message, which let us know if you want to make any changes to that. And the members would just download the file, their birthday card, and they can see the nice card from Rebecca that they can print, or they can just keep on their computer as a background. However, whatever they want to do, that's available to them. Okay, so as I mentioned, it's going to generate all the other files, which we don't need, but it's all the physical cards. And just to show you how the opt-in process works, so for me, we can go into my record, and you can see there's two more checkbox. So this mail cards is for physical cards. It'll control whether the card will get generated that can be physically printed and mailed to me, as well as the envelopes that come with that. And then email cards is opting in to actually receive the email birthday card, as I just showed you. So you can opt people out of that if they don't want to get it. And if your entire organization wants one of these completely opted out for everyone, just let me know, and I can take care of that for you. Just email experience@onegift.ai, and we'll take care of it. So, excuse me, that's it for today. I think hopefully this is a feature we go towards more digital, can save a lot of printing costs, a lot of volunteering time, and can just be a great way to make this program work that much better. So thanks as always for being One Gift customers. Looking forward to your feedback on this, and have a great day. Happy giving.